Hello everyone, I'm Teacher Bea. Welcome to your Tahiti Dance Fitness class. Today, let's have a great workout practicing the top basics. For my newbies, don't forget to subscribe. So first, check your posture, back straight like this, neck tall. Bend your knees during the workout, like this. Your feet are most of the time together. And make sure to keep your pelvis in a neutral position, like this. Are you ready? Let's get started. So the first basic is called the tamau. We sway the hips side to side, push to the side, and make sure that your knees are following your hip motions. There you go. Push those hips. Keep your upper body still at all time. Come on, push further if you can. There you go. Keep your heels on the floor. And let's go faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Keep your arms still. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Come on, push. Move forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go one more time. There you go. Turn. Keep moving those hips and switch side. Don't stop your hips, don't move your arms. Very good. The next step is going to be the ami, a circular motion with your hips. Your knees are moving along. Try to make a big circle. Reverse the other side. Don't move your upper body. And reverse again. Come on, push bigger, front and back. And switch the other side. Very good. Few more. And relax. The next step is called the varu. It's a figure 8. So twist those hips like this. And your feet are following your hip motion. Go. Twist right, twist left. Come on, twist right, twist left. Very good. Twist right, twist left, twist right, twist left. Few more. From the side, it looks like this. So I don't move my head. And I twist those hips as far as I can, front and back. There you go. Let's do the next basic. Ready? So we go. Make a circle, a smaller circle. And we go a little bit faster. It's called the fa'arapu. So go make those circles smaller than the ami. And go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 4 more and relax. Now we're going to practice everything together. Ready? And we go. Right, left, right, left, right. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Front. Back. Front. Back. Turning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Switch. Very good. Stay. Awesome. And release. Ami, make a big circle with your hips. To the right. To the left. 2 circle to the right. 2 circle to the left. Reverse. and switch. Keep going. Make it round. Very good. The next step is the Varu figure 8. Right, left, right, left. Twist those hips front and back. Keep going. There you go. Awesome. A bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Twist big. You got this. Yes. Few more. Come on, push those hips. Very good. And release. The last step, Farabu. You can go faster or just keep a steady pace for 30 seconds. Roll those hips. Keep going. Very good. Push. Very good. Few more, almost there. And release. Let's go for our second round. Same thing. Ready? And we go. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Front. Back. Again. Back. Turning. Reverse. Awesome. Stay. And release. Ami, roll to the right, to the left. 2 circle to the right, 2 circle to the left. Keep going. You're doing great. Let's do the Varu figure 8. Twist, right, left. Come on, push front and back. Don't move your upper body. You're doing great. And faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Keep going. Almost there. You're doing awesome. You're doing great. Last round. And release. Ready for the last step and roll. And let's go non-stop for 30 seconds. Roll those hips. Few more. Make a circle with those hips. And that's it. I'm proud of you. Tell me in the comments how it was for you. I see you for our next class. You have the link below, tahitidancefitness.com. Remember, you are amazing and see you soon. Bye.